Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Chevrolet Suburban Premiere. It's a 4x4. Runs quiet and smooth, so I'll go ahead and close this up. The LEDs look a little bit different in my camera because the refresh rate is making them look like they flicker. They do not to the human eye. Let's have alloy wheels and power running boards that come out when you open the doors. Also has an entertainment package and sunroof. Power liftgate that is also a tow package with a cover on it. A sneak peek of the interior. We'll go ahead and close that up. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. Let's have black leather. There's the third row. You see the second row also has heated seats. Go ahead and give you a shot of that VIN right there. Okay, so we'll go ahead and turn the stereo down so you can hear me better. You'll see we have the trailer sway controls right here, your 2- and 4-wheel drive, also your sensors as well. We also have our trip computer toggles right here. You'll see that it has listed 16,853 miles on this vehicle. You also have your cruise control and your push to talk, your other infotainment toggles right there. You also have your push button start. And when you come over here, you've got your stereo, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Jump over to your navigation. And then you also have messaging and video. Come over here. Here is your disc slot for your CDs and DVDs. Okay, so we'll go ahead and close this. And we'll jump over here to your front seats. You have heated and cooled front seats. And here you have additional power supplies and phone charging station, key fobs, cup holders. Here's another, this is your wireless phone charging station, additional power supplies and stowage in there. And as you come up above, you're gonna have your map reading lights, and then you also have your sunroof and your entertainment package. That is 2 LCD screens back there. And you can also view it on this LCD screen up here. So that about wraps it up for this Suburban. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact to the roof. You can talk to your salesperson if you need additional descriptions on that. The airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.